What's going on, guys? Welcome back to New Coder. So in the second live session video, we are going to create a tutorial in which we will code a HTML number pad, and on that HTML code we will apply a JavaScript so that on clicking any number we will get a sound. So we will call it as a number pad or a dial pad. So where we can use this dial pad or number pad, especially if you are creating a form where you want a user pin code, zip code, or mobile number. So there on this place you can use this number pad. We will start our with our code. So this is our Notepad++, and in this Notepad++, we already write our basic HTML code. So in this example, we will create a number pad using HTML table elements with buttons for each number. Each button has an onclick attribute that calls the playSound function with the correspondence number or asterisk as the argument. So the playSound function takes the number as an argument and sets the src attribute of an audio element to the corresponding sound file. So we will create for that we will create a folder with the name sound file if you are taking a path from local system, or you can directly use a online URL, means a URL which is present in a any website. So let's start with coding. We will write first title for our code. So here is title number pad, the pad with sound, or you can call it as dial pad 2, dial pad which is using mobile to call anyone. Title. Okay, then we will add style. We already have a style code here. So first we will start with our body structure. So here in this code, what we will do, we will create a dial pad using table tags. So in HTML, for creating table, we have to use table tag, that is table table, and here table tag end. And in every table there are rows and columns. Yes. So in rows there are number of columns. So if you imagine a dial pad with having 3 numbers in a row, so 1 2 3, now in next row 4 5 6, in next row 7 8 9. So in one row we will have how many td, and means in one row we will have 3 data, that is t1 t2 t3, and the data will be 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So after writing the table tag, then we have to start with row tr, table row. Then in each row we will have how much td? 3 td. Okay, table data. So td, and here td ends. So in each td we will add a number, and the number will be in form of button. So we will use button tag, that is button. We will apply a class here, button. We will name our class button, and open. Then on click event, and name our function. We already discussed that we will name our function as playSound. And for the one number we are applying this function, and the data in the value will be 1 for this button, and button tag and here. Okay, so if you save this, and if you want to see its output, you can see in any browser. Okay, we will start our Chrome and open this HTML5. That is, I think the path is new to HTML. To HTML table. Okay, we didn't close our TR. Okay, now save it. Now apply dot E. Sorry, there are few mistakes in our code. That is spelling mistake. So here you can see the number 1 as we had coded here. If we code for the second one, that is button, while doing any programs, while writing any code, the most important thing is your spelling should be correct, or else you will get error and it will become very hard to identify what the error is. So let's restart our coding. So we will create a second button and apply a same event, but this, if you want to add different sounds, then you can create a different sound functions, or if you want to use only ton and means only one sound, then you can use only one function, and in that function you will assign the only one path. Okay, play sound, and here this we are naming it is to curly double inverted comma close to button close, and button tag also close. If you refresh your code file, see second number is also here. So in the similar way, we will create a complete dial pad from 1 to 9. So in this tutorial we are only we will only add only numbers, not any symbols or alphabets. So you will see only numbers in our dial pad. Okay, I think you are not able to see the code. So what I have to do, I will, now you can see. Okay, now it is visible. Yes, it's visible now. Sorry, so this line we had type right now. So okay, for let me see what's happening here. Okay, we will code for the third button, that is BW button. Class is equals to double inverted comma close on click equals to double inverted comma playSound, and in 3 double inverted comma close 3 button close. Now what, here we close our TD tag. Now as we already discussed that in one row we will add 3 numbers. If you see the result here, see 1 2 3, so the next number will be in the next row. So for that we had to add one more tr is table row. Okay, end at tr. Now again we will add for 4 5 6 we will do same coding, just we had to change here 1 to 4, then 5, then 6, then the display number also 4 5, and the values should also. Now if you refresh this, see 1 2 3 4 5 6. Similarly here your row is completed. We will add a new row. For adding new row tr, now in that row tr once if you want to write, you can type this code again, but as our video is getting long and long, so I am just copy and pasting it. So please make sure while copy paste that you had changed the values here, and there is no mistake in closing and opening of the tags. Okay, if we save this code and refresh, yes, here our 1 to 9 number are completed, and we had taken 3 numbers in a row, so we had created 3 rows and 3 columns. So our coding for table is completed. Now we will do some JavaScript work. Here our JavaScript work started. So let me, where is my JavaScript? So I had to write JavaScript code here. Okay. We forget to add 0, I think. If you want to add 0, then you can add 0 also. And if you don't, then it's okay. Okay, we will add a few more buttons here. That is the 1 0 and 1 asterisk mark. Save it and refresh it. You can see asterisk and 0. If you want to add hash number button, then you can also do that. Now what we have to add audio CRC. To add your audio path, you have to write audio ID is audio. You can write anything in this ID, as you can write your name also. Audio, and here for path you have to write src, that is source. And if you are using your JavaScript externally, then you have to write the file name of your your JavaScript file with path also. For example, C drive and something path with file name. But here we are using our our JavaScript internally, or we can use it externally also. So let's say if we use externally, so we save this file, write a script.js. okay, now close it. Now audio. Okay, now we had completed our HTML part. Now we will write our function for JavaScript function, and I had already coded our JavaScript function, so I will directly paste it. So here is the audio src. So we will take audio from online. Let me search number sound mp3 sound effect. Well, yeah, let's see. Okay, there must be some issue. If I want to use the path of this, how to let me find some sound files mp3 number pad. Let us use from in okay, let's say you have to add your sound path here. Now if you save this and run this, you will have actually you will not listen any voice because I'm using that what is that mic called, Maple mic. So and in laptop too. So my speakers are off, so you will not be able to listen this voice. But if you add this uh, code now, as we are using in internal JavaScript, so no need to add this line. Okay, no need to add this line. And if you are adding this line, then you have to create one more file with name script.js, and you have to save this code in here. You have to save this code here and save this file as script.js, that is script.js. Yes, if you use and copy the path of the file and put here, then run this code. So here we had completed our tutorial, and what we had done in this tutorial, first in this example we create a number pad using HTML table elements, okay, with buttons for each number. Each button has an onclick attribute that calls the playSound function with the corresponding number or asterisk as a argument. The playSound function takes the number as an argument, yeah, here, and sets the src attribute of an audio. That src attribute, where we had mentioned src attribute for our audio, yes, here. Element to the corresponding sound file, that playSound 9, playSound 8. So we where it is, the JavaScript playSound here, case 1, case 2, case 3 we had created. So thank you for, yeah, okay, if you have any issue in this tutorial, then comment below. And if you need any free consultation for your WordPress website or any other website, then you can contact me, and I will do it for free. You just have to subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you for watching, and bye bye.